Village.com. We're going to talk about how to fill your lawnmower with fresh, clean oil. Now, just to review, we've already drained the old, dirty oil out of this unit, and now we're going to put fresh, clean oil in it. First of all, what you want to do is get yourself some 30-weight oil. Usually you can get some lawnmower brand, just some regular lawnmower engine oil, as long as it's 30 weight. And you're also going to need a funnel. First of all, locate your oil fill plug. On this unit, it's right here. So you want to loosen that up. Remove the plug. Set that aside. Grab your funnel and your oil. Now on this unit, you're going to see some threads here at the top of the hole. And you're going to want to fill it to the bottom of those threads in this hole. So take your time when you're filling it so you can keep an eye on it and start filling. Take a look, and we're about halfway there. Now it's always, always, always important to run your lawnmower with oil. If you don't, you'll seize your engine, and then when you take it into the repair shop, they're going to tell you straight up it's broken beyond repair, or it's going to cost you too much to repair it. Just buy a new one. And we're about 3/4 of